Now I'm going to show you another type of hand sanitizing agent. So instead of a gel type, we are going to prepare a spray type. So the ingredients is more or less the same, just that we are removing the gelling agents from the ingredients. So over here, again, we have alcohol. I'm using an isopropanol. We have water, and to moisten the skin, we have a glycerin or glycerol and propylene glycol. So alternatively, at the end, if you would like to have some aroma or fragrance, you can add in essential oil. Alright, so it will be very easy over here. So get your water. So if you don't have water, again, so make sure you boil and cool your water at home. So as glycerin is a bit thick, so we're going to get out by mixing with water. So glycerin is a very common ingredient available in most of the cosmetic products. So it's helps to retain water in the product, and thus it also helps to retain or moisten the skins. Right, this one, like that. Okay. So now we're gonna add in the propylene glycol. So don't worry if you don't have a pipette like this or micropipette at home. So you can just use any measuring cups or measuring teaspoons. Okay. So with a spatula, take a good mix. So make sure everything is homogeneous. Okay. So last, we add in our main ingredients here, the alcohol. So make sure you have the right amount of alcohol and the right type of alcohol. So you have to be very careful that we need 99% alcohol, not the 70% of alcohol. Okay, so if you like to have a fragrance, you add a little bit of this essential oil. A few drops will be good. And now we are ready to put in those bottles. So get this bottle, spray type. Now it's done. So this will be another type of hand sanitizer. Okay. So I hope that this will help you to prepare in case the hand sanitizer is out of stock in the market. That's it. Thank you for watching.